Hi, I'm Gemma from the Handmade Craft House, and today we're going to make a bird table. We're going to attempt to make a bird table. It's going to be a rustic one.
So we could chop this in half. We could screw this onto one of these. So this one.
So what are we making, Ben?
A bird table.
A bird table with how many platforms?
2.
How's about hanging off some bird feeders?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
So we could add a couple of little branches.
Okay.
Say we could take these bits from the end and screw them to the side of it. And then there's some bird feed holders.
Yeah?
So,
Okay. Cool.
girl, she's got these.
Are you helping, Mary?
She's just took that bit of grass out the hole. Just come over and get her help. She doesn't.
Phew. Hey?
What was it?
Scones.
Ah.
They look quite good. I think the Arga does wonders for your cooking skills.
Joe tried to get Mary to dig the hole.
No, I'll just let her be.
Coming out. There you go. You're helping. You're helping. Thank you, Scuffbots. Thank you.
What's the hole for?
And the hole's for sticking the end in so we can see it out the kitchen window.
Cool.
Oh, the dog's actually helping. My dad is hard at work digging a hole, if you can see it, for the bird table. Mary!
This is the part where, oh, she is coming. Oh, it's getting trained. Wow.
Should we just fill in the hole?
We're going to have to do that, yes. And we'll take that one and then we'll see what we can do. So, do you want to take the big long one and I'll take these small ones?
I haven't followed my line very well, folks. Good job it's Rustic. Oh.
Oops.
Uh-oh. Whew, getting hot now.
You're nearly done. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
And
Great.
bang.
One more. Nicely done.
Oh, it's so nice and cold. Do you want some? Yeah. You go, do you want some? Mary, come.
Great, okay. Good stuff. Look at that. Great, thank you.
Slight break from bird tabling because of accidents with dogs, Water and Boy.
Joe,
Show love.
start mopping over here and then she'll come to me. Mop, 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 mop. Snack.
maybe a wee bit more this one.